Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you how to fix a dead Android screen. Android phone become dead is one of the most challenging problem because it does not give an error code or any message. It is just a black screen. This means that you cannot know what your phone screen shows, what is there in your screen. You cannot do anything to make your Android phone do what you want it to do. So if it is happening, your phone is a black screen, then you will be very frustrated. If your Android phone is dead and what turn on, then you have to come. You are at right place. I am going to tell you 6 7 methods. You need to try those methods on your phone, and after that I am sure that your problem may get solved. So this is the right place. There may be several reasons: battery is dead, or any Android bug is there, or some hardware problem. I will discuss the regions, and then I will tell you how to correct those regions. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So first is battery or charging problem. If the battery is dead or battery fails and cannot supply power supply, so it may cause Android phone to be dead. The secondly, outdated operating system. If the Android operating system has not been updated for a long time, the application in the Android device may be incompatible with the lower operating system versions, resulting in the dead screen. Or faulty or defective applications are also one of the reasons that can cause a dead screen. Its application poses a threat to Android device or carries viruses, causing Android phone to be dead. Or the phone may be placed in extremely hot environment and overheat, which may also cause the Android phone to be dead and won't charge. The hardware problem may still be there. The display itself is faulty. Your Android phone may be faulty. So I am going to tell you 7 8 methods. First method is check the physical damage. First see if there is any physical damage and your mobile is not getting on. If any physical damage is there, then obviously you have to you go to the mobile authorized repair shop, and then that needs to be corrected by shopkeeper. Secondly, if your phone is suppose dead like that and it is not charging, then what you do, just put your charger for at least 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if the charging is starting, then well and good, you are the lucky man and your phone will work. If it is not happening, then force restart your phone. Means how? Just press in Samsung mobile, just press this power on button and minus button simultaneously for some time, and then the logo will come. Leave your phone for some minutes, it will on, and if it is getting on, then your problem is solved. Otherwise, if it is not happening, it is still, you are still getting the black screen, then what you do, just press the phone from both sides and front and back like that. Just suppose this is like that, just press like that, this, and just after that turn it and remove this cover. The cover may be a reason. Remove this cover, and after that, why you are doing that? Why you are doing that? Because there may be possibility of loose connections by which the display is not getting power from your motherboard, and the loose connections may get converted into the tight one by pressing these screen, especially the area of here. So just do it. If you are lucky enough, the phone will on. And if it is not getting on still, then remove. If you have phone battery, you can then remove that phone battery. Many phones are coming with non-removable phone battery. If your phone is like that, then this step is not for you. If you can remove your phone battery, just remove it, and after that just wait for 2 minutes, then again connect it battery, connect that phone and try to switch on your phone, it will work. Then if it is not happening, then try to switch on your phone by safe mode. How will you do? Just make sure that your phone is in off mode, and after that if it is in off mode, just like that, just press and hold the power key for some time, and if the logo is coming, then release it and just press volume down button. If you have done it correctly, the phone will enter into the safe mode, and you will see safe mode somewhere here or here, depending upon the model of your phone. And after that, in safe mode, third party applications will not affect the phone, or your phone may get on. After that, just try to install the third party applications and run the phone into the normal mode. So this was the this was the another method. And after that, if it is not happening, then perform factory reset. How will you perform? Now the phone is off, and if you want to enter the factory reset, if you want to do the factory reset, just go to the recovery mode by pressing this power button and volume plus button simultaneously for some time, just like that. And after that, see what will happen. Yes, it has entered into recovery mode. Now just with this key, just go below volume up down key, you can navigate here, wipe data and factory reset, and after that press that power off key. It will reset your phone into the fact just like new one, means all the data will be erased. So make sure that you have all the data backed up, and you know how to load the data into the new mobile, because after factory reset, it will be a new mobile. So I will just reboot my system and I will go, because my phone is not malfunctioning. So this was the next method. And after doing all the things, if you are still getting the black screen, your mobile is not charging, then please seek professional help. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.